Yo you guys, it's Badger here. Today we have a look at this little mixer for milk foam or cream and all that. And as you see, it is already in this little stand here, so you can easily put it somewhere and make sure it's not getting dirty or anything. You can store it away that way. And as it works, you just gonna take that off the stand. I think the stand could be a little bit more stable, but it's holding up, so that's, and so far it's okay, I guess. Not the biggest fan though. And here is the little tool. And what you have to do is you will have to put on the headpiece. We just cleaned that up. There's two of them, so you can choose which one you prefer. And then you're gonna scope that in there or stick them in there, make them secure, and then you can start using them. So we actually can do that in a second here. What you're gonna do is you turn it on. You can see there's like 3 different modes: low, medium, high for intensity. So yeah, choose that wisely, because if you go too high and you have the wrong bowl or something, it might splash all over the place, which is not necessarily completely bad, but can be kind of annoying when you have to clean everything up because you just made a mistake there. So always I would start on low and then see how fast it actually is possible to stir my milk or whatever. So this is how you do it. You just scoop it on there, and then you can just turn that on and get going. And as you see, it's doing its job. There's not much more to that. That's why we decided we could actually do this review why we're still not on our main setup. So yeah, we should have that back soon though. So I'm excited for that. So I think we call this a day though, and I will see you around. Until the next time, you guys, take care. My name is Badger, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.